Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an animation in Gandi IDE. So first we're going to want to start with the animation. We'll do the code after. So we can go to costumes and delete this little guy right here. Then we can zoom in a little bit and choose a color. Then we can start drawing. So I'm gonna draw a ball bouncing in and out of the screen. So first we're gonna draw a circle. And then we're gonna duplicate this and erase the circle, and then we're gonna duplicate this a bunch of times. These will be our frames. Okay, we'll start the second one.